What's going on, guys? Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Sony A7 III 24 megapixel camera alongside with the Sony FE 85mm f1.8 lens. It's more like a re-unboxing, to be honest with you guys, because I've actually used these items. So here we go. Alright, so like I said, guys, this is the re-unboxing of the camera. So I didn't remember to put back the books inside, so normally you'd have the books right here in the top right here. It's not there anymore. Let's pull this out, and it comes with a charging brick, USB cable right there. Take it out so you guys can see it. Put it to the side. The USB cable, charging brick. Sony actually don't send you a charging dock to charge the battery in. You have to literally charge the battery on the inside of the camera. So I purchased an actual charging dock for the battery. I'll just probably put a picture on the screen so you guys can see that. Alright, so I'll put these to the side for the moment. Like I said, it's a quick unboxing. Alright, so we'll dive into the box, and here we go. This is the camera, Sony A7 III. I must say, guys, from using it, it's an amazing camera. The dynamic range is amazing. The autofocus is amazing. I can't say enough good things about this camera. It is ridiculous when it comes down to low light performance. Alright, so like I said, I've used it before. So normally you have the battery on the inside of the box. Here's the battery right here. Alright, see if you guys can see that right there. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's the, let me see, the Lithium Z battery. It's actually rated at 2,280 milliamps. It's really good. From what I've been hearing, I haven't really fully tested it in the field. I've used it somewhat, and from what I've done so far, it's amazing. That's all I can say, guys. So I'll slide this back in, pretty easy. Boom, slide the latch, and it's locked. All right, let's put this to the background. Here we go for the 85mm lens. Oh my God. When I talk about quickness and smoothness of focusing in this, you don't hear a sound when you're focusing with this lens, and it is ridiculously fast. Here's the lens. Comes with the usual packet, but nobody really wants to see that. So put it to the side. Lens is right here. Come over here. This. One of the most amazing things that I like with Sony is that they actually put a lens cap inside along with the lens. So here's the lens right here. Put the lens cap on. It snaps into place. Not going anywhere. The ring is buttery smooth, and it feels very solid. It feels almost like metal, but this thing is a beast. I'll definitely give more reviews. More in-depth reviews once I've actually used it in the field a little bit more, so I can give you my honest feedback and opinions. And it's the Sony A7 III and the 85mm 1.8 lens. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace.